This is what happens when children want to ride the tractor. You just take it down to the end of the cul-de-sac. I'm sure our neighbors love us.